Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to fix the login error of Roblox that something went wrong. Please try again later. So first of all, you have to just open your Chrome browser or any browser that you are using in your Android or iPhone, and then open a new tab here and search here a website which is named as roblox.com. okay, after this you will find here such type of the interface. You have to just tap on continue in browser option here. You have to just put the login details and then just click on the login option, and after that you will find here such type of the interface. Now my Roblox account is ready to use. I just click on any game from here, like I am selecting this one. After this you have to just click on the login, and now you have to put here your login details and then just click on the login option. After this you will be successfully logged into your account. It has been processing here. Now it shows a play button. You have to just click on this, and after this basically this process is for joining the server. Then you select any of the server that you want to join, and now you can see that I have been successfully logged into my account. I hope this trick will be helpful for you. So if you have any question, you can leave a comment below. I will help you. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.